Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix website is online but isn't responding to connection attempts. First method is click Start, Settings, click Network and Internet, click Proxy. Turn on Automatically Detect Settings. Turn off Use a Proxy Server. Second method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as Administrator. Type net sh space, int space, ip space, reset. Type ipconfig space, /flush DNS. Exit and restart system. Third method is click Start, Settings, Network and Internet. Click Advanced Network Settings, click Network Reset, click Reset Now. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.